Good morning, traders, and this is your Dax daily review. So we ended up with another green bar, quite a big engulfing bar before some profit taking started to happen. And I just want to see whether we have a level from where that profit taking was coming. This is so messy, it's difficult to ascertain. So we did have this swing high here, fractal, and that's the only thing that I can see. But I suppose that just shows you the importance of your fractals on your daily, weekly, 4-hour, monthly, because that's pretty much always an area where there's some action that's going to happen. Okay, so not clear cut. That's a weekly fractal, and I don't think there's anything on the daily here. No, not really. Okay, so if we just start moving down through the time frame just to see what we can do today. So yesterday's call for the long was the correct one, and we pretty much had a good solid 100-point rally, which was quite nice for a change on the DAX. And again, we've ended up with inside bar. Okay, so there is a potential for a reversal happening, but I still think the trend is very, very strong. So just get your levels in. Those are the two levels that I would expect some kind of a pullback to, and that would be an area for me to look for longs again. So let's just get down to the hour. And let's just work out this measured move here. Okay, so trend is up. Bit of a messy trend, do have some diversions all over the place, but we are pretty much in a channel at the moment. So, my view on this is quite simple. I'm still looking for longs, go with the trend, but looking for either 12280 or 12270, 12280 or 12270. That's the area that I'm looking to get back in long. That sort of lines up with these two fractals here, and obviously I need to have a stop below 12220, 50-point stop loss. Okay, so that's kind of my view at the moment. Until I see a second bearish signal, that's kind of what I'm looking for. So if you look what's been happening over the last couple of days, you get a red bar, you go sideways, then you rally, then you go sideways, and you rally, and you come back, rally, come down. So it's quite a healthy upward trend. So there's nothing in it that's screaming, be careful. Okay, so that's kind of what I'm looking for. Definitely looking for this pullback to finish, come back either onto this trend line or into this area here before I can get long again. So 12,270 or 12,280. That's the area that I'm watching for a long entry. Okay. Another way to look at this right now is to watch those two fractals there. This one and this one. Break below will be a valid short signal. That will be below the midline here. Break above will be a valid long signal, which is above the red line. So that's kind of something that you can look at during the open just to see what happens. Okay, but I'm inclined to just wait for it to settle somewhere, find some support somewhere down here, and then look for my next long. Okay, anyway guys, that's it for me today. Hope it helps, and I'll catch you later. Cheers for now.